back to Matson's house party. Today we're going to be unboxing this toy with candy. Let's get started. Okay, let's take these off. Come on, toy with. Now it's open. This up. Will you give me a napkin because it's kind of spilling everywhere? Okay, see. Let's take these off. Wrappers up like these. Mom? Will you help me open these two? Should we do two or just one?
I'll take the other one for another time. You know what you do?
What?
You lick on that to get it wet, and then you dip it in, and then, okay.
How about you lick it?
No.
Okay, so I'm dipping this into water today because I don't want to lick it. It might be too sour for me. Let's dip it here. And here we go. Do you want to eat it? Mom, do you want to eat it?
Sure. Sour!
If you don't like it, I might throw it. I got this toilet bowl and now it's all done. Okay, so I done it and my mom looked at it, but it was very sour.